Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SeatGeek how to transfer tickets. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to transfer tickets on SeatGeek, the first step is to sign into SeatGeek. So simply head over to the SeatGeek.com or simply open up the SeatGeek application if you have already downloaded it and then sign into your account. Then once signed into your account, next step is to open your tickets by simply tapping on the tickets option on the bottom of your screen, then selecting the event and choose the tickets you want to transfer. The next step is to tap on transfer. You find an option that says transfer. Simply tap on that and enter the recipient's email address. Use an email you can easily access. Then SeatGeek will send the transfer invite. Then next is to confirm the transfer. Review the ticket details. Then once reviewed, simply tap on confirm transfer, and once done, the transfer is sent. What the recipient must do is open the email from the SeatGeek, click on accept tickets, then sign in or create a SeatGeek account, and the ticket appears in the my ticket section as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.